Turned it off and on again. I wanted to show. Right now we got the orange filament from slot number 2 going through. The proper LED is lit up on top here. Come on. Right there you can see LED 2 lit up. I'm going to try. And by the way, this does work when I feed it from the external reel. So, and I replaced the extruder here, so it's not clogged. I'm going to try and feed the green from slot 4 in. Okay. Pulling back that orange filament. As expected. Fade in our green. As expected. So far, so good. And whatever the heck happens, this happens. There we go.